With the decision that school masking will be voluntary, parents picking up their kids from summer fun had various reactions to the news. KITV4's Jeremy Lee now joins us live from the Department of Education. Jeremy, what kind of responses did you hear today?
Well, Rick, it was a mixed response, and that's for sure, to the DOH news. Now, of course, it's the Department of Health that issues the guidance, but it's the Department of Education here which implements the policy. And that policy is now, as you know, set to change on August 1st. For the first time since early 2020, kids will be able to attend school and not be under a mask mandate. It will be voluntary. And as this title card that you see here shows, which was presented by the DOH, they mentioned voluntary masking, but also situational masking. I asked at the press conference, Dr. KENDALL of the DOH, what does that mean? Well, situational masking would be a targeted circumstance. For an example, an outbreak at one particular school that would bring about new mitigation efforts. The DOH recommended dropping mandated outdoor masking back in March. Now, in August of 2022, Hawaii will be the last state in the nation to allow school children's parents to make the choice. I spoke to parents and some young students leaving summer fun in Manoa. Here's what they had to say.
I think it's a good idea because it's just one more thing for us to have to worry about in the morning is making sure they have their mask, and half the time they don't even have it on. This is surprising that she has it on.
Do you think you'll wear your mask even in August inside?
I think I will, but usually my mask just goes down, so.
If they say they don't have to wear it, then that's their choice, I guess.
Do you feel protected by your KN95 mask?
Yes, I wear it everywhere.
During the pandemic, you couldn't see people, so it wasn't any social connection with people.
I think it's still important for us to keep wearing masks, especially in like school, like children's, where they are mostly like gathering around, so I think it's still important, like especially indoors.
I don't think the mask mandate should have been dropped for the kids, especially indoors. Outdoors, yes, but not indoors.
Now, there were parents that gave a more enthusiastic response, but some of them didn't want to be on camera, as this issue is still divisive. Now, you have heard that there are changes to the quarantine recommendations as well. So as of August 1st, that policy change goes in effect as a whole. And as you've heard, masking will be encouraged, but no longer required for school kids. Reporting live at the Department of Education, Jeremy Lee, KITV4 Island News.